Hi everyone, welcome to Data Server. My name is Taiwo. Our topic today, VLOOKUP versus INDEX-MATCH. Which one should you use? Both VLOOKUP and INDEX-MATCH are Excel lookup functions used to find value in a table. Depending on the function chosen, the lookup can be simple or more advanced, which I will demonstrate in this tutorial. I'm going to go to the next slide to show you the difference. As you can see, the company name left and the country right. In the country right shows value in the VLOOKUP, while in the company name left show hash value, which means is error. But in the index match, the both left and right shows value. I'm going to load our spreadsheet for the demo page to show you the reason why. So this is our demo page. So the first and foremost, we go to our lookup data comprised of 6 columns, range from A2 to F16. We go back to our VLOOKUP, and what we need to do, we click our D2 and we click insert function. After that, we type VLOOKUP in the search for a function box and we click go. And you go to the bottom where VLOOKUP show and you double click. What are we looking for? Our value will be C2, which is in the VLOOKUP value. And also the next, we have to put the $sign in the front. And the next one is table array. We click the table array box, then we go to lookup data, then we highlight from C2 to F16, and that is selected. We enable our $sign to be absolute both in the front and the back for C and also for F. And that's it. And the next one, the value that we want to generate is the second index, which is number 2, which is our country. And the next one, we type false and we press enter. And now you see the polar, our data generates automatically. The next thing to do is to double click. After we double click, it gives us the correct value. But let us apply the same procedure to the company name left. This time around, I'm going to use our notepad to demonstrate that for you. So I'm going to copy the first value here. So for more explanation, it's good to use notepad to do the demonstration. And this is our code. So as you can see, the VLOOKUP cannot generate data from the left hand side. So the only thing that we can do just to demonstrate that for you, let's put -2 here. So indicating that it's going to go back to from the unique customer ID. Let's add that code into our B2 and we see what it's going to generate. It's going to generate error, which is going to be hash value. You can see it has hash value. So that's it. It's not working. It's only generate data from the right hand side. That's the demonstration of the VLOOKUP. The next one to show you is the INDEX-MATCH. So we're going to use our lookup data for INDEX-MATCH. And to do that, we're going to do the same thing using our notepad. To use our notepad, the code is already typed. I'm going to explain. I'm going to copy the code and explain to you. So I'm going to delete this one that we use for our VLOOKUP, and I'm going to show the INDEX-MATCH. The INDEX-MATCH, what it does, this is lookup data in this tab. And this B2 and B2 is to B16 is the return value for our B country name. Why the lookup data also combine all the entire lookup data C2 to C16. Then we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it in our B for our INDEX-MATCH tab, and it's going to see is automatically generate that. So the next thing, we're going to use the code again, call up our notepad. And all we need to do is to change, because we are looking for our data, which is country, in the D column. And we're going to change the B to D. D and D. And we're going to copy that. Control C. Then we go to our D2. We're going to populate that into that. You can see automatically generate our data for us. That's what we need to do. Everything is working for INDEX-MATCH. So in the conclusion, INDEX-MATCH is the more best to use. So come for more tutorial, unleash your potential, and check our previous tutorial on VLOOKUP and INDEX-MATCH, and also this one with VLOOKUP versus INDEX-MATCH. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. I remain your style. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.